Nothing in this video is financial or investment advice. Please do your own research before making any steps in the cryptocurrency industry. This video will only be a short presentation for the Kilopi project. As you can see, we are inside of the Kilopi.net right now, and I will be trying to present this project to you only by following this webpage. Let's start. In the entrance part, as you can see, there is a slogan. This slogan is Decentralized Trust. Means that Kilopi project is trying to build something as decentralized, sustainable, and transparent. Below to this slogan, as you can see, there is an explanation. This explanation is saying Kilopi is actually a decentralized autonomous organization, but not only a community, not only a DAO. This DAO consists of two things. One, the team. Two, the community. Together with the team and the community, Kilopi project is building sustainable, decentralized applications. And all of these applications eventually will use the project's token, LOP, I will mention as LOP, as utility. Means that all of these applications under the ecosystem section of the project will eventually use LOP tokens as utility. And this will bring value to the LOP token. If I go down a little bit more, as you can see, under the ecosystem section of the project, there are 8 elements. 6 of them is already working and using the LOP token as utility, and 2 of them is under development. Let's try to go one by one to understand what are these elements and how they're using LOP token as utility. So the first one is Masters of Management, is a turn-based Web3 strategy game. If I click this element, I will go to the web page of this game. The web page of this game is actually a small presentation about the game. You can see the algorithm, you can go to white paper and documentation and learn more about the game. But if you click play now, you will be able to see the planets that you can play on. And the current active planet, you can check the dates in here, and you can see the Kepler planet is actually live now. The other planets are on the way, and there are some other planets that have been already finalized. If I click play button under the Kepler planet, I will be able to go inside of the game. If I'm using MetaMask wallet and if I'm already logged in with my wallet to Harmony blockchain, I will be able to log inside of the game. So right now I can see my country statistics, information, and on the left there is a menu that I can adjust my settings for my country. If I go down in the research tab, I will be able to see the information about researches. I can make new researches, and according to the new researches, this user interface will change dramatically. New things will come into the game, and you will be able to adjust your country according to the new things. So you can adjust your population, production, armies, and wars. You can make wars between other people in the game. So if you click ranking, you will be able to see the other players in the game. And when you see the other players, it's loading. Yeah. When you see the other players, you will be able to see their wallet addresses, country name. And if you click, you can attack them, you can make wars. And according to these dynamics, every player has points in the game. So every time a planet finalized, according to the points, players get LOP tokens as rewards. And inside of the game, players need to use LOP tokens very small amount to proceed in the game. So in this game, the team of the Kilopi project is not selling any NFT, is not selling any land. This is only a pure game that requires very small amount of LOP tokens, and in the end players will be able to earn LOP tokens. That is a sustainable ecosystem. So I will be closing the number 1 element. So the second element is a poll system. Actually, this is working together with the founder's YouTube channel. If you click the team, you will be able to see the founder, and there is a YouTube channel link in here. If you click to this page, you will be able to see the YouTube channel of the founder. So this number 2 element is a poll system which is deciding the next topic, next content of the video of the founder's YouTube channel. So the community is using this poll system and voting with their own log tokens to some topic. For example, energy web. Community is voting with their log tokens, and then the founder is making a video about the energy web token. The founder is going deep, diving for the project and trying to tell everything very clearly to the community. And every time the founder publishes a video from the poll, then this topic is moving from the left side to the right side of this application. When the movement happens, these tokens which have been used for voting, half of them is being burned and the other half is going to the founder's wallet address automatically. The founder does not have any authority in the log tokens. We will go to the tokenomics part of the web page soon, and you will be able to see the team does not have any authority, including the founder. That is why the founder needs to work so hard to earn log tokens. And every time he make a new video, some part of the tokens is being burned. So this is a unique poll system, and the Kilopi project is still searching new projects to get inspiration from the good parts of the other projects and put them into the Kilopi project. This is a research part of this project. You can consider as that one. So the second element was the poll system, and the third element is the DAO. If I click this DAO, we will be able to see there are 3 topics as for now. This DAO is being handled together with this DAO application and this YouTube channel again. So every time a new topic comes here, for example tokenomics, if we click the detail, we will be able to see the details of this proposal. Actually, the proposal is not very long, but it is a topic, an idea. Every time a new topic comes here, the community is able to write comments, and when a community member writes a comment, we will be able to see his wallet address and his comments under this topic. So the project is collecting every ideas, comments under this DAO application. Then the founder is publishing a video about that topic. For example, for this tokenomics topic, you will be able to see in this YouTube channel there are 2 big meetings about this tokenomics. So these 2 meetings in this YouTube channel is being done by the team, and every single comment in this web page, in this application, is being read by the team, and then a final decision is being made together with the team and the community. Eventually, after all the decisions made, the team has to make the move. So if we take for example this tokenomic model, you will be able to see there is a new tokenomics transparency system. This system is coming from these ideas under this decentralized application and under these meetings. So we will be able to see this tokenomics decentralized application. The name is no doubt. We will be reviewing soon. So this is the DAO's working style. So this was the third element, and if we go to fourth and the sixth, the 4th and 6th is not active right now. They are under development. Kilopi team has some partnerships with some construction firms, and together with these construction firms, Kilopi team will be preparing, developing new decentralized applications, and one of them is smart engineering solutions. You can think as, the engineers using some Excel files and some complicated softwares to handle some engineering calculations. So Some part of these applications will move to Web3 together with Kilopi and these partners. And another thing is the tendering platform, making matches between the clients and the contractors. So number 4 and number 6 is under development right now. So I'm closing these pages. So the fifth element of this ecosystem is a game again. But this game is totally different than the Masters of Management game. This game is a MMORPG based server game. This game is using the Ultima Online infrastructure and being built by Kilopi DAO and the community together. And it is online right now. You can download the client, follow these steps, and log into the game. If you log into the game, you will be able to see all the details are working right now. Again, if you go to the founder's YouTube channel, you will be able to see what this game is all about. If you check this video, you will be able to see there is an action in here. There are lots of things in this game, but eventually everything is ending with one thing: the value. The value inside of this game is being calculated by in-game gold. What you can do with this gold is a unique thing for this Scalia game under the Kilopi DAO. You can double click this in-game gold, and with only double clicking and putting your wallet address, you can send this in-game gold to your MetaMask wallet as SKL tokens. So after this step, you can exchange your SKL tokens for LOP tokens only by clicking this link. When you click this link, you will be able to go to the Tranquil Finance Swap together with Deferent on Harmony blockchain. This is a DeFi infrastructure working with the liquidity pool. So you can exchange your SKL tokens for LOP tokens. And LOP token is the main token of Kilopi project, as you know. And in the web page, you will be able to see the SKL tokens USD graph. And this web page is only consists of these kinds of things, and the system is working right now and being developed for better versions. I will be closing this one as well. So the seventh element is the collector. The collector is actually a staking system. When you go inside of the staking system, it's a very simple user interface. You can create new staking, you can choose which option you prefer, and you can click stake and start staking progress. And you can see your stakings under this list. And if you have a staking, you can unstake clicking the button in here. And if you want to see all the other stakings other than you can click all staking list, and you can see every single wallet address making staking under this system. Are they active? Which option they are using? And how many LOP tokens they are staking? You can review all of them. This is a unique staking system, and this staking system was made by Kilopi DAO together with the community, again after discussing every detail in the DAO decentralized application and the YouTube channel. So this eighth element is the no debt application, and this is a unique transparency system for tokenomics. Now we need to go deep dive for the tokenomics to understand this application. If I go down a little bit more in the web page, I will be able to see tokenomics details. So there is a chart in here, and there is a chart in here, and there is a table in here, complicated table, one more in here, and I will be able to see the wallet address in the below part. So let's start with this application. As you can see in here, year 2023, year 2024, 25, it's going down until 2052. So we can see that 2024 supply locked until 2024 at the end of the January. If I click this button, I will be able to see 2024 supply to be used for the good of the Kilopi project. But now it is locked. Nobody can touch this. It is locked with a smart contract code. Even the team, even the founder cannot touch this. So until 2024, the only supply that the team can handle according to the needs is the 2023 supply. If you click this, you will be able to see the initial supply was this one, and the total consumed amount is this one, and the remaining supply for 2023 is this number. So if you go down a little bit more, you will be able to see this consumed part, why the team fetched these tokens and used. The reasons are in here, and the dates are in here, and you can see the amounts in here. So when you open this page, and when you open 2023 supply usage part, you are able to cross-check with the 2023 distribution chart. The only thing that the team can do is fetching some amounts for some reasons, but these reasons should match the 2023 distribution chart. You are able to see the distribution chart for 2023 Masters of Management game, this game, so this Scalia game, this game. So if you see the theme is 7%, the burn is 29%, etc. And when you click here, everything should match. You can see Masters of Management game, rewards 10 million. You can see burn month January 38 million. YouTube and Telegram airdrops, the date, team salaries. As you can see, team does not have any tokens pre-minted for their self. Team has to work so hard to get the salary. If the team is not working, and if the team is not handling the roadmap elements, they're not getting the salaries. And you can follow everything in this application and in this YouTube channel. So this is an extremely transparent system, unique system for tokenomics. You can review everything in here. So I'm going back to this page, and this no doubt application is working as this one. So if I go down a little bit more, I will be able to see this chart: circulation supply, burn supply, and locked supply. And this locked supply may scare people, but we need to be sure this locked supply is locked for sure with smart contracts, and nobody can touch them. And the plan is for 30 years, as you can see in here, until the end of 2052. So the supply will be in circulation in a very long term. So we can check this smart contracts if they're real or not in here. You can see Harmony exploring for this token. If I paste in here, I can go to Harmony Block Explorer, and if I click holders for Kilopi token, I will be able to see the contracts in here. Locked supply for 2025, locked supply for 2024, and these supplies are also cannot be used for team's decisions. In the web page of the project, as you can see in here, 2023 distribution chart will be updated every year. Means that for 2024, team has to change this chart according to the needs of 2024, and only the reasons that they can fetch some supply from 2024 supply, the reasons should match these explanations in this chart. So while these things are happening, as you can guess, the circulation, burn, and the locked supply will change every month slowly, and we can follow the change in this pie chart. This chart will be updated every month. So if I go down a little bit more, I will be able to see two tables. These tables are telling that cumulative burn schedule and the cumulative circulation schedule. These schedules are actually estimations. As you can guess, these distribution charts will change these estimations in a very small amount. And this explanation is telling that the cumulative burn schedule will be higher, maybe higher, but the circulation cumulative schedule cannot be higher. may be lower. So this schedule can be seen until the end of the 2052. You can review all of them. So together with this information, following all of the things, to be transparent, everybody is able to see every single wallet connected with the project. So the team wallets are listed in here. Special contracts. These contracts are for the ecosystem elements, decentralized applications. So the burn wallets in here and the vesting locked wallets are in here. You can cross-check everything together with the Harmony Block Explorer, tokenomics transparency system, and these wallet addresses from here. So if I go down a little bit more, I will be able to exchange the tokens for one tokens, LOP and one. One is the, as you know, native token for the Harmony blockchain. If I click this button, I will be able to go to the Tranquil Finance swap on Harmony blockchain. This is a DeFi liquidity pool, as you can see, W1 between LOP, and also I can change this to 1 to LOP to 1. I can exchange. There is a small amount of liquidity right now. If I go down a little bit more on the web page, I will be able to see the details. As you can see, all the movements in here, the transactions in here, it's also transparent thanks to the DEX screener. We can see the graph in here, and we can see the liquidity pool is around $8,000 as for now while I'm recording this video. So the price is going up and up and up because, as I told you, the team does not have any pre-minted token. Team needs to work so hard, and everything is transparent under the tokenomics system under the YouTube channel. So of course the price is going up because the tokens are in circulation only in the community, and the development is going so hard. If I go down a little bit more, I will be able to see the roadmap for 2023. You can see the ticks for the ones who already finished, but the other ones are under development, and the team has to finish these elements to receive their salaries as tokens every month. Other than this, team cannot get anything. So this is a very hard schedule for 2023, but the team will handle this. So I'm following everything very carefully. So if I go down a little bit more, I will be able to see the team, and the team is real persons, real people, consists of real people, and we will be able to see every single social media link in here. We can reach them, we can write to them. Everything is transparent in here. Also, only one person wants to stay anonymous, and he is anonymous. We respect that. So the team will expand in the upcoming months, but team and the community together trying to be very careful about the synergy between the team and the community and the decentralized applications and the roadmap. So expanding the team is a very critical thing for this project. As a DAO, everything should be sustainable and the team has a vision. So expanding the team will take some time, but in the upcoming months there are lots of candidates. I think the team will expand slowly. If I go down a little bit more, I will be able to see the blog sharings. You can click any of them, you can see the details. If I go down a little bit more, I will be able to see the FAQ questions. It's a very small amount of questions, but if you have another question, you can scroll down and see the social media links for the project, and you can click any of them, write anything, and you will receive a feedback for sure. So the web page has been finished right now. Before closing this video, I would like to say one more thing for this project. Until now, this project has not been promoted on the Twitter. So this project's Twitter account does not have many followers until now. Yes, the project was tweeting the updates, but not promoting anything. Everything has been handled under this YouTube channel of founders. But starting with the first day of March, the team made a plan to forward the community from this YouTube channel to this Twitter account to have many followers and use the hashtags to promote the project to larger audience, larger community. So this plan will change the position of the project dramatically, we guess. So this is it. This is the review of the Kilopi project for 2023 February. I hope we will meet again in the upcoming months with new developments and the better situation for the Kilopi project. See you. Wish you have a great year. Bye bye.